Alright, guys, so to meet popular demand, I am glad to announce to you that we have created our first official course where we show you how to create your own AI website. Alright, so you could see this is our AI website, and I'm going to put the link to this website below so you can actually go test it out and see for yourself and see what you'll be able to create without knowing any line of coding, without being a programmer, without having any experience. You'll be able to create this awesome looking AI website, and you'll be able to customize it to fit in to anything you want your site to look like. All right, so you can see the basic things that are here. We could do blog search, we blog selection, startup name generator, Instagram captions, blog ideas, confirmation mail, blog title, and a whole lot more. So I'm going to be going into testing this system so you can see what you'll be able to create without having any idea of coding. And I want you to follow me through the process of testing to give you that interest into learning this skill and making a lot of money from it. So you could do two things from this. First, you can actually create this type of website anybody and in a lot of money from it, because trust me, to do this type of site is expensive. Secondly, you can own it for yourself and set up subscription base so people can use it to generate content and a lot more for themselves and pay you on a monthly or a yearly base, and you can make a lot of money from this, from owning and learning how to create this AI SaaS website, which is software as a service. So let's go into testing. I'm just going to go to my dashboard. Alright, so from the dashboard you could see a lot of things. First, you get your analytics, right? For you to know how many words is left, for you to know how many words has been used. You can actually see your recent projects here. You could see how many text to speech you have, and you could see your subscription. And I'm looking at this from the admin panel. So this is how your admin panel is going to be, and also your user panel will be almost the same thing. They will not be able to do to just make certain drastic changes to the website, but almost the same thing, and they get these features based on what they pay, and they can actually have a free plan. So basically, we are going to just I'm just going to take you through what this AI software is offering you and what you'll be able to create. First, you have what we call AI PDF chat, so meaning that you could feed the AI with your PDF and it will summarize it for you. Second, we have your fine tuning, we have your AI chat, we have AI vision, we have AI image, we have AI blog wizard, we have your templates, your custom templates, image to AI to images, generation of images, text to speech, speech to text, 11 labs, AI code, and a lot more popular templates and so much more. And all of this you will do at no extra cost. Just after getting this course, you get access to the tools, right? And so first and first we're going to do is this. I'm just going to test the AI chat. All right, so basically for the AI chat you could use any of the bots that are here. All right, so first thing, what bot do we want to use? So we're going to be trying the motivational expert bot. All right, this is an AI expert bot, and each of them are dedicated with what they have been created to do. All right, so we're going to be talking to Jeffrey, and we're going to say hello. And instantly Jeffrey will reply, say hello, I'm here, I'm ready to assist you. See, this is not what you want to miss. AI is doing a lot in the world today, and you want to make sure you are part of the trend and part of people that are making their money in AI. So basically I can ask him, so basically he will tell you, my name is Jeff Hem, I'm here to assist you with any question. You can just say, I am feeling down today. And basically Jeffrey is going to write up some motivation for you. So we say, I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling down. Remember, tough times don't last, but tough people do. And it gives you a lovely speech right there. So another thing we're going to do is, I'm just going to copy what Jeffrey has generated for me, and I'm going to take it into our AI speech and text to speech. What this does is it's going to convert the written and turn it into words, right? So we're going to be using this feature. So we just call it testing, and we're just going to paste in what Jeffrey gave us for our motivation, and we're going to click on generate speech. And one thing I love about this is that it actually gives or is fast, meaning it is awesomely fast, very fast. And our speech has generated. Basically, you could see we have generated a lot of speech here. All right, so basically I can play this. So basically, I don't know if you can hear it, if my screen recording would permit that, but it's looking awesome and sounding awesome. Like I said, I'm going to put the link below so you can test it. I'm not just going to be giving you what I want you to go in, register an account, test the future, and see it for yourself. You can basically download everyone and use it for probably your adverts or whatever you want to use it to do. So another thing is, I'm going to download this into my system, after which I'm going to bring it in and convert it back to text using our AI speech to text generator. So basically, I have downloaded it and I'm going to click on browse. I'm going to locate it. It's under downloads, and this we have let me check for what we downloaded. Okay, it's this zipline@gmail.com. So we're going to open it up again, go to downloads, and this is exactly it. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on create. Okay, sorry about that. We'll call this text. All right, so what it's going to do is going to analyze the audio and convert it back to text, basically. And all of this is through the power of AI, and you can have it at your fingertip. And here we go, our test has actually been generated. I am sorry to hear that you're feeling that. Remember, tough time don't last, but tough people do. And you see, this is exactly what we generated from our AI. Then we put it into text to speech and converted it into speech. Then we converted it back into text. And if you're not convinced by that, you can actually upgrade up into 11 Labs text to speech also. And trust me, this is awesome. It's mind-blowing. You could actually edit how you want your model and your voice to come out. You could check the stability, the clarity enhancer, the style, exaggeration, and lots more. You could boost the speaker boost. You do a lot of things with this. The idea is just for you to learn this money making skill. For every person that registered, you get a notification at the top bar. For this, we have a purchase package. All right, we have a new package purchase, we have a new register. You'll be able to see that. You'll be able to change the mood from light to dark, and a whole lot more. We have your image generation here. We have lastly, I just want to go through the templates we have on this system. So I'm exhausted, honestly. I shouldn't be talking this much, honestly, because the features are just too cool. So generally, you could generate blog section, blog ideas, blog content, email confirmation, blog summary, blog tags, promotional email, follow-up email, testimonial email, discount email, Twitter post, Twitter promotion, event promotion, YouTube video description, YouTube video title, Google Ads description. It's just so much, and trust me, it's just so much. Basically, you could use the system to do a whole lot. And if you're saying, oh, who am I to tell you how to create this? Am I sure of this? Am I sure of that? I'm just going to give you something else. This is not just the first AI we've been creating, and this is not going to be the last, literally. So I'm going to open up. So remember, this is ziplinestudios.com. I'm going to open up another AI system we created differently. So I'm just going to go to this site which we've created, another different AI. All right, so this is not the first time we are doing all of this, and so I need you to purchase this class and this course. You need to be part of it. I'm going to hold your hands throughout the process. I'm going to send you everything you need, and you don't need to miss this. Seriously, imagine having your own AI, right? So this one comes with pricing. So also does the other one. All right, so you could do a lot of things. So I'm going to be showing you how to set up AI website and set up your subscription, make it work. And I'm going to give you the tools you need for all of this process. So don't miss this. This is our first course, and this is one of the most important ones. So don't miss it. And wow. Oh, lastly, our AI system comes with an affiliate system. It means if you create it for yourself and you're using it, you could pay people to recommend it to friends, to family, to refer, and earn a commission from that. So why don't you take up this? Come and learn AI with Zflight Studios, and we'll get you there. All right. I'll see you.